Hey everybody, today we're going to show you a vintage Scotty. We are at a Halloween rally, so there may be some Halloween decorations here. I'm not sure about this one. And this is Wayne. So Wayne, tell us what year is your Scotty?
I think it's a 1970 model.
You're not sure?
Not sure.
Okay.
It's a ground up restoration. I completely, from the frame up, it's all new.
So my next question was going to be, what condition was it in when you got it?
Really bad.
Really bad.
Yeah.
Could you see through the floor?
Oh yeah, floor, windows was falling out. It's been about, probably me and my friend, about 2 months, I guess, restoring it.
That's not bad.
No, it was a lot of afternoon and midnight work, but we got it.
And did the wife do all the upholstery, or did you
No,
do that, or hire it out?
We had a guy down the road do that for us from Limestone.
Okay.
I done all the cabinets and all.
Does this all open here? This is all storage?
Yes, that's all storage under that.
Really good.
The back bed pulls out to make a full size. It comes out to here.
Okay.
And,
do you take that down every night?
Yeah, I take the table down and make my bed. And me and my wife uses this end, and my niece leases her bed up here.
So this part right here in the middle, does that slide forward?
It slides forward, yes.
Okay, and that fills up the space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a full-size bed.
And you've got a good-sized refrigerator there with a freezer.
That's a Home Depot special.
Yeah, I have a microwave. I think it's the same brand. So this ceiling and walls, everything is all new.
Everything's completely new. It's all my idea. I just started building, and when I'm really not finished yet, but...
What else do you want to do?
Well, I've got to do the trim around the floors, and I don't have my water in yet. I've got the sink and all, but got all the fittings for everything. I just hadn't had time to get it completed, so...
And you're putting an air conditioner in there?
Yes, I have a portable air conditioner. That's a vent place for it.
Okay, where your hose goes. We needed the heater this weekend, not the air conditioner.
Yeah, I've got a little tower heater I set in the floor.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we heat with.
So what's your favorite part of this camper?
I guess just the compactness of it. You know, hook to it and take off down the road for a weekend, and you don't have to worry about pulling it. My little Jeep tows it real well. And,
do you know what it weighs?
No, not after I rebuild it, because it's got a lot more sturdy floor, and it's all overhead's built a lot more sturdy than the original.
Yeah.
I'm going to say probably maybe 1,500 pounds.
Oh, and there's your little heater right there.
Yeah, that's my little
So
heater.
is this open under here, and then her feet can go under there?
That's where she stores her sleeping bag. That's just the open area back. The bed goes back in there.
But you could put your feet under there.
Yeah, if you need to. Yeah,
okay.
She's a little shorty, so.
Okay. Well, thank you, Wayne, for showing us. And
you're welcome.
We are going to see you guys on the next video. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up. It's totally free to subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.